Right, guys, today you join us at the wonderful Lindholme Lakes in Doncaster, doing some early spring bomb and pellet fishing. I'll land this one, then I'll run you through the setup. Had some real big f1s today, guys. I'll try hold it up for you. I'll run you through the setup. Look at that, a lovely Lindholme f1 on bomb and pellet. Right, folks, I'll quickly run you through the setup. We have a marvellous light carp in a 9 foot, which is a lovely soft rod for this time of the year when you're playing them F1s and carp at your feet. Running down to a Horizon 4000 reel to Sublime Feeder Mono in 020, running down to a 5 gram bomb and to a stop, running down to a loop to loop connection to a 6-inch hook length. I did start on a longer hook length today, but I've been done a few times where you'll get it, where you'll get like a rattle, you'll pick up a note eyes where the hook length's too long and the fish have done you. So I've just switched to a shorter hook length and it's been miles better. A free running setup as the fishery rules apply, running down to a 013 hook length to a super LWG in a 16 with a quick stop. I'll turn around, folks, and show you what we've been doing. So we have actually been putting expander pellets on. So I've been quick stopping the Aquastim 6mm pre-done expander. They're lovely and durable for this type of stuff. So you've got confidence to stay on when you cast out. And I don't know if you can see that, but I'll try to show the camera. Just plop your bomb there and put it down and feed some pellets so you roughly have a guide of where you're going. So feed 3 or 4 pellets to your marker. Wait for them to plop, then just plop your bomb just over the back of them. Been miles better today. Casting just over the back of your feed. With there being no wind on the water, I won't sink my line, I'll just put it down. So then if you get any liners, you know it's coming from the bomb side. Just pick this back up, folks, put this on. If you're getting any liners, you know it's coming, where it's coming from, because the rest of the line is sat on top of the water, and all I like to do is slowly tighten up. Hopefully we can catch you 1 or 2 on camera. You can see that V coming towards me with the lines tightening up. Aim not to do it too fast because you don't want to move your bomb. With it being such a light bomb, you can easily move it, so take your time on this part. Really important. So let everything catch back up with itself. You see a lot of people rush this. All I'm doing is taking my time and slowly, bit by bit, reeling so I'm in contact with my bomb. Not too tight, just so I'm in contact with it so I don't get done by too many fish having such slack line. That's perfect there. Hopefully we'll get a fish and show you what we've been doing. Some of the bites there though, folks, have been savage, almost pulling you in. If any of you who know Lindholme are sat on bennies, and the point there, we're just feeding 6mm fishery pellets on top of the bar. It's a really deep pond, but there's a bar that comes up and runs along here, and we're just fishing on top of that bar at the moment. You can tell it's starting to warm up a bit because the fish are definitely feeding in that shallower water. It's been a really hard and cold winter this year. Have a bit of patience, folks, and we'll catch you on. We'll sit here, then we'll ping a few pellets, and hopefully the rod will go round. Didn't have to ping the pellets, folks. See that quick sharp bite. This is the most important part now. You've hooked the fish. Take your time getting it in. You see a lot of people rush this procedure and losing a lot of fish. And when you're using such fine hooks at this time of the year, you don't want to be straightening them out. That's why a soft rod is absolutely vital for this type of stuff. Caught some cracking fish today though. Hopefully. Once we net this one, I'll put the camera closer and you can see some bite action. See what I mean? Get like a quick sharp flick on the tip. Look at that, another beautiful Lindholme F1. The cracking stamp of F1s in here. Real big. And look, this one. And that's another thing to pay attention to. Whereabouts the hook, make sure they're not hooked too deep. If they're hooked really deep and using a long hook clamp, it's showing you're seeing your bites really late, and that's why the fish is hooked so deep. You want them to be hooked around the bottom or the side of the mouth. I'll hold this one off. Look at that, absolutely stunning, folks. Belter of an F1. Slide this one back. And we'll come put the camera behind us so you can see some bite action. See that there? All I like to do is see that piece of silicone on the shank of my hook. I like to slide that silicone round just so it puts the hook bait towards the point of the hook. I just think it helps with a better hook holds. I'm going to sink my line because I've got a bit of a crosswind. Don't want to create a bow in my line because you've got a chance of moving your bomb. All I'm doing is just touch ledging, keeping hold of the line. If you get a bite, you'll feel it pull on your fingers. What I'm going to do, don't rush this part because you don't want to move your bomb. Fire a few more pellets over it, folks. See that, folks? Fire your pellets, and as soon as the pellets hit the water, come round. Another cracking Lindholme F1, the smallest of the day, in fact, folks. It's still a great stamped F1. Unlock it and slip this one back. We'll try catch one more, folks. Then we'll end the video there. Remember, feed first. And cast just at back of your feed. Perfect. Don't need to sink your line with not being any wind to pull your bomb, so you don't get a bow in your line. Slowly tighten up to your bomb. I'll be on. Just shows you, folks, the importance of not sinking that line when you don't have to, because you seen that liner there, and I knew the bite wouldn't come quick enough because my line's not actually sunk. So all the movement on my quiver tip can only be coming from the end where my bomb is. You see so many people rush the procedure of sinking a line and they're actually pulling the bomb away from the feed. If you take your time, ends in results like this. Also shows you the importance of that short hook length nailed in the bottom lip again. Slip this one back. Right, we'll end the video there, folks. Hope you've enjoyed and hope you've learnt a few things along the way. Tight lines till next time. Keep on bagging.